everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Tevele London, and if you aren't new here, then welcome back. Guys, you know what this video is. You know your girl went and bought herself 2 Prada bags and now we're doing the reviews. So I have already done one review and we are going into the part 2 in this video. We are going to be looking at the lime green color that I picked up in the leather. So if you want to see this Prada re-edition bag in a very rare color and rare find, then definitely keep on watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or if you just like my video, you know. Okay guys, so I don't think I mentioned this in my other Prada review, but I'm just gonna throw it in there now. So I picked these bags up in store. I went into the boutique and that's where I got the bags from. I didn't buy it online. I do prefer going in store when making my purchases, just because I can get like a real feel of the bag and I can actually see the true color as well and figure out if it's for me. So yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. You guys just probably don't want to hear that, so I'm gonna get straight into the review. So let's get it. So the bag that I picked up was the Prada 2005 re-edition, and this bag is pretty much the exact same as the Prada nylon bag that I picked up. However, this one is in leather. So remember when I was talking about having a bag that was like more going out appropriate? This bag is it, because it is in leather. It also came in this beautiful Prada box. The box actually looks like it's made from like Saffiano leather or something, but it's not. It's literally just like cardboard box. They were very smart with the way that they kind of like added texture onto the cardboard box, so I like that. So yeah, that is the packaging. Very nice. The bag came in this Prada dust bag with the Prada logo. It's extremely soft and very plush, so I know my bag is feeling cozy inside. Cozy and warm. My bag is cozy and warm. It's got silver hardware as well, and the color is absolutely perfect for summer. The bag is 18 centimeters in height, 6.5 centimeters in length and 22 centimeters in width. There is a Saffiano trim all along the bag, and also it has a removable chain handle. So it also comes with this detachable, adjustable logo print woven nylon shoulder strap, and this is 85 centimeters long as well. The bag comes with a coin purse, detachable as well. So there's a little clip here so you can actually remove it. You could actually use the coin purse that's on the strap as an actual coin purse that you can put inside the bag. There's a clip here. You just unclip that and pop that out. Got a little coin. The lining of the bag is in this re-edition nylon logo lining. You can actually wear strap as a belt, but it doesn't suit me, but I know somebody watching my video will suit them. That is the end of my review. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you like this video, or if you want to see more videos like this. If you're thinking about picking one up, tell me which one you're going to go for, because your sis wants to know. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much and take care everyone. Bye.